We are a professional manufacturer of precision fixtures, and we are committed to providing you with high-quality fixtures to meet your specific needs. Our fixtures are used on 4-axis mechanical production equipment to maintain horizontal positioning of products during machining. By introducing rotary axes, our 4-axis vertical machining centers can effectively automate the machining of complex parts. We are equipped with advanced mechanical equipment and CNC systems for automatic indexing and non-destructive machining operations such as beveled holes and beveled edges to ensure accuracy. In addition, our fixtures are designed with 6 fixing holes to ensure that products are firmly fixed and provide higher machining accuracy and concentricity. No matter what industry you need to machine your parts, we are committed to providing you with the perfect precision fixture solution. Please send us a drawing to request a quote, and we will evaluate your needs in detail and provide a quality solution. We look forward to working with you to provide superior precision fixturing services for your production.